A new member inside of our elite community who has just joined us less than 2 weeks ago has already sold over $1,000 on her first auction weekend. This was her first auction weekend. She was sitting on a gold mine, just like most of you guys are, where you already have the inventory at your house. You already have old paintings, you have old drawings, you have scribbles, you have things from either your college days, your high school days, or just days where you just had different things lying around. So she had a lot of artwork and she was just able to just put it up on auction. These weren't even from her buy it now. But what I always say is that your sales get bigger and bigger and bigger as time goes by. So it's going to go into a snowball effect and it's just going to get bigger for her. So that's just amazing to see how she was able to generate $1,000. She put her data out there, but also she was just being consistent and she was just keeping her frequency high. She made sure that she had a great attitude about it. And she was grateful for the process to be able to get rid of the artwork because we're not a storage facility here. And once you put that in your mind, I'm telling you, once you do that, it starts to click for you. You're able to sell more artwork and you're just getting rid of it. There's no ego involved. And she's just happy because there was times in her art career where she wasn't able to sell any art at all. She's new to eBay. She's new to the elite community. She came in here, listed everything, built her page up the same way how you can do it as well too, where we have a 14-day sales orientation. So during the 14 days, it's just going through the process of how to build your account up correctly, how to list it correctly. And I always tell you, you will have your first sale by the end of the 14 days. So this was her first weekend where the 10-day duration passed by. She's seen how everything went. And look, already sold over $1,000, and it's just going to get more. It's just going to get bigger and bigger and bigger for her because she's being consistent. She's still showing up every single day. She's gaining her collectors, and you can too. The market is already there. They weren't buying from her because anybody knew who she was. She even put on here that these were all new collectors. These are people who didn't know who she was whatsoever because the market is already there. All right, so let's just see some of this data right here so I can share with you what she has. And you can see right here, this was her total sales of what she received. All right. That's what her total sales. And this is some of her beautiful artwork. And you can see the auctions for her, they went up to $47, $43, $41. This one went up to $112, $110, $70. This one went up to $51, $45, $44. Look, she just started. This was her first auction weekend. So it's going to get even bigger for her. These people weren't competing in the bids because she had a big following on here. It's just because she followed the systems in place. And you can follow the systems in place too. Everything is laid out for you. And this is her beautiful artwork, how she has it shipped out and ready to go. Beautiful. So help me congratulate her. She did a great job. She just started. You can do this as well too. If you have any questions, then you can join us inside the elite community and you can reach out to her and you can ask her any questions as well too. So that way you don't have to take my word for it. You can just take her word for it. So click the link below. Join us now while we still have it open for the 7-day free trial. And that way you can build your account up. And then from there, you can lock your price in before the price goes up next month on July 4th to $77. So now you can just lock it in and then you'll have that for the rest of your life. You'll be grandfathered in that price. All right, I'll see you in the next